In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vertical text in Canva. This is a simple, reliable way to stack letters on top of each other for stylish titles, labels, or graphics without using any complicated tools. Start by opening your design in Canva, whether that's a social post, a presentation slide, or a custom-sized canvas. Once your design is open, add a text box. The quickest way is to press the T key on your keyboard, which instantly drops a text box onto the canvas. If you are not using a keyboard or you prefer the menu, click the Text tab on the left sidebar and choose a basic text option. Type the word or phrase you want to display vertically. You can use any font you like, and you can change the font size now or later. Both approaches work fine. Next, focus on the text box itself. You'll see small white rectangles around the edges. These are the handles. To create vertical text, you'll use the side handles only. Click and hold one of the side handles and drag it inward to make the text box narrower. Avoid dragging the corner handles for this step, because that will resize the text instead of changing the width of the box. As you shrink the box horizontally, your text will begin to wrap automatically. Keep dragging inward until the box becomes narrow enough that each letter is forced onto its own line. That's the entire trick. You are using the text box width to control line breaks, creating a clean vertical stack. If your text still shows 2 or 3 letters on a single line, make the box a bit narrower. If the text looks cramped or it breaks awkwardly, adjust the box slightly wider until each character sits on its own line. For longer phrases, remember that you'll end up with a taller column, which is normal. To fine-tune the look, click spacing in the top toolbar and adjust the line spacing. Increasing the line spacing adds breathing room between each letter and makes the vertical stack easier to read. A small increase usually does the trick, but feel free to experiment until it matches your design's style. If any letters appear cut off at the top or bottom, simply drag the top or bottom handles to extend the text box height, so everything is visible. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.